Okay, we're good?
Yeah, you good?
All right. So, I just have a few questions. First is, what did you think about the event today?
A lot of information. When I was speaking to my brother Randy about this seminar, and he invited me to come out to it, it was intriguing in just the standpoint of the information in regards to artificial intelligence. But the information today, put it in perspective and how we can use it. I can use it in my business, I can use it personally to help other friends in their businesses. It's just a lot of information.
Great. What was your favorite part of today's event?
Integrating the Chat GPT with Midjourney and how to create images and logos and use the tools and the plugins to make everything more efficient and to be able to do things so quickly. What typically could take months to do, I learned today how we could just do it in a matter of minutes.
Fantastic. And last question is, what are some of the things that you're going to implement in your business regarding what you learned today?
Well, I've already generated 3 new classes for my license renewal seminars that we do. I've already started to put together a portfolio for a new bioenergetic spray nutritional company that we're working with. So it's like I'm already implementing. I've got a whole list of pages and pages of information that I produced today that would have taken me months to do before.
Awesome. Thank you very much.